This is not simply a carpet. It is a unique work of art, one of a kind in the history of Bosnia and Iran. I designed it with inspiration from the traditional motifs of Bosnian kilims. And for the first time, these symbols were transformed into a hand-knotted Persian carpet in Iran. The motifs were born from the cultural memory of Bosnia, while the wool, colors, and patient hands of a master weaver in Persia gave them a new life. Every corner of this carpet carries a story. A story of love, friendship, family, and the meeting of cultures. It is a museum-quality piece created only once. A woven bridge between Bosnia and Persia, and the message of friendship to all people of the world.